We agreed that the Mazda 5 is the ideal vehicle for what we want to do. Whoa.
Guess how much we paid?
That's the vision, bro.
Shit. It's easy to work on, it's reliable, and it has both side doors.
Hey.
Fits 6 people. Like, this fits 7 people. And look how much bigger it is. You show them my back. We've been using this for rollers. This thing is tired. I gotta retire it. We're getting the Mazda 5.
Potentially.
Allegedly.
Potentially.
How you feel, dude? It's kind of ugly. Dummy.
We didn't buy a Mazda 5 again.
Second time, dude. Third has to be the charm. We're headed to check out our like 5th car. This is our 5th car?
Yeah.
This is the 5th Mazda 5 that we're gonna go check out.
Hey, 5 for 5.
5 for 5. 5. We've only found nicer cars every attempt, and we're trying to do this on a budget, which is not easy, but not impossible.
You're gonna make a left and go down into the basement.
Go down into the basement. Once he's off the call, he'll come down. Cool. But that means he's not here, and the Mazda 5's probably around.
Here.
This might be it. Look at that. It would be a creep. It's dirty, but that's like the least of our problems. Park up right here. Looks good.
Oh, snap.
It's got the OEM side skirts. Amazing. Minty, bro. Beautiful. It's got the black leather interior.
Pop the hood.
No, I don't.
No. Okay. All right.
I'm happy, bro. Dude, that's bone dry down there. Is this homie? Hey, boss, how you doing?
Hey, what kind of car are you in?
Oh, I'm right next to the car. I'm in a Lincoln MKT. It's silver. I think I might see you walking by right now.
Oh, okay.
All right. Drive. Beautiful. All right, so there's a weird feeling in the steering wheel just now,
Yeah.
but I think it might. Yeah, like there's a weird lock.
It just light came on. Steering wheel light came on.
I'm gonna give it a little. Whoa! You saw that? Like,
Yeah.
it pulled in it.
Yeah.
Look at this thing, bro.
Take care.
This is the new Except Sundays mobile. Yo, I love this thing. You could be this far out one point driving. Dude, this looks so fresh, bro. Like, it's so clean. Oh yeah, he got shafted, bro.
Yo, look at the size difference. It's great.
The size difference? Wow.
Guess how much we paid?
$5, $6. No, this is
Pretty cool.
nice.
It's not bad, right?
No, not at all.
Take care, man.
Later, guys.
Peace.
Fuck. Alright. 13 more times.
Why are we doing this?
Cause it came with no wheel lock.
There she goes.
Let's get out of here, bro.
Right,
no inside.
Yeah, no inside.
No más afuera y nada más.
Damn.
glad this car's been sitting.
Some sort of statue. He get done up. 2024 my year for the come up.
Adios, pops. Get him out of here. Hasta luego, mommy. He's in the trunk. We never looked. No.
Hey, look, we ain't beefing with niggas who live past their prime on the internet. Bitch, I'm always on time and like 369 except Sundays. We back like we never left. Keep on playing. No business with broke niggas, you a joke. Keep adding on more figures, I'm on go. I pour in some Casamigos down the throat. And he ain't a threat, and none of my niggas know. Look, ain't no hate on my heart, I need paper. Keep on saying and smoke that shit vapor. Ain't got problems with none of my gang. Accountants the same, it's coming up aces. Since he fronted, you turned to a stranger. Ain't no walk up in public, I upped on my budget since